Friends, hello everyone. Welcome to the channel. In this video, I will show you and also tell you how you can disable the text input indicator in Instagram app. Please friends, don't forget to put your likes, write your comments under this video and also subscribe to our channel. And let's, friends, you and I get started on this topic. And now I'm going to show you how you can easily find this customization. So, first of all, friends, open in the Instagram app itself on your device. After that, go to the Conversations section. Next, go to any particular dialogue where you would like to not be seen typing text. Next, at the top, click on the name of the conversation partner. After that, friends, select Privacy and Settings here. Now, you'll need to find this option right here, Input Indicator. And in order to turn it off, just click on this button right here. So you will immediately disable this feature. And now, when you will correspond with some person, he will not see that you are typing some text. This is the simple and quick way, friends, you can easily disable the text input identifier in Instagram. I hope this video has been helpful for you. Friends, please put your likes, write your comments and also be sure to subscribe to our channel. Bye-bye.